Alright, so I've got everything out here. You see I've got some glasses chilling with some ice water in them. I've got my gin, I've got lemon juice here, and then this is a honey simple syrup. That's going to be equal parts honey and hot water. And if you look at the link below, I'll show you how to make some simple syrups. So we're going to start with the honey simple. We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce. Oh, that's not good. And then do a little bit, 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And now we're going to do 1.5 ounces of gin. So I'm going to do 275 ounces because that is easier to just use the one side of the jigger. But you could do the other side of the jigger and use the 1.5 ounce if that's more convenient for you. Now we're going to pour this over the ice. Give it a good hit. Now we're going to break the seal here, and you'll see if you squeeze, it'll just pop open there. And it takes a little getting used to, but then we'll strain that out. Beautiful. In addition to providing a robust sweetness that counters the tart lemon, the honey, when aerated, also produces a thin layer of foam on top of the cocktail. And you'll see the same thing in the next drink we make, which will use whiskey instead of gin. Alright, as you can see, we reset here. So we're going to take our twist on the bee's knees now. And I'm going to start again, just like before, with some honey simple. And that's going to be 3/4 of an ounce. And then same 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. 1.5 ounces of bourbon. We call that a benchmark. It's 1 part sour, 1 part sweet, 2 parts strong. It's called a benchmark. So that right there with the bourbon is a drink called a Gold Rush, and it is quite delicious. But what we're going to do is also going to throw in some fresh mint leaves. And I don't muddle them. I just shake them up, and I find that the ice will tear apart and shred them in an appropriate way that is just as beneficial as muddling, but with less time. Alrighty, give that a good shake. Now you'll see, because I used the strainer with the wider springs, that there's actually some flecks of green in that one. But, well, that just adds to the goodness. There you go, bud.
Thanks, man.
Cheers. Thanks for watching, and we'll be making more drinks next time. I'm Kraft.